around 2:30 as the snow comes down here, and of course we have the situation we've been dealing with in Haralson County as far as the buses just haven't been able to get out. And Colin Worthington is standing by to give us an update on that situation. Colin.
Hey, good afternoon. Colin Worthington checking in with you one more time this afternoon from the Grady Communications Studios. We just got off the phone with Brett Stanton, superintendent of the Haralson County School System. Approximately 2:05, 2:10, they started loading children on the buses. So your child should be home soon.
We got the buses rolling. You know, they're going extremely slow, no more than 10 miles an hour, and so far so good. I mean, we got TPS has a very steep hill, and they were able to go in and load up and you know, get out. So we feel pretty good so far. I mean, we've been told, you know, with the DOT and the road conditions, they've done what they can, and not going to get any better anytime soon. So we felt like it was our window opportunity to get on the road.
Those bus drivers will obviously take their time and be safe to get your children home this afternoon. There have been numerous wrecks reported in Haralson County, also in Carroll County this afternoon. In Carrollton, Highway 27 on Interstate 20, traffic is very, very slow. So anybody considering going out this afternoon should possibly reconsider unless you absolutely have to be out there. If you do have to go out there, be sure that you're prepared to wait a long time in traffic this afternoon and probably into the early evening. But the best bet is for you to stay at home until this weather clears up this afternoon or early this evening. Reporting from the Grady Communications Studios, I'm Colin Worthington.